Ladies and gentlemen, you must have heard of the unfortunate and very strong floods that have wreaked havoc in Pakistan. Millions of people have been rendered homeless. Even now, 1/3 of Pakistan is submerged in water. Right now, Pakistan needs your help. There are people who need food, medical assistance, and basic necessities of life, including shelter and other things. Pakistan Embassy in Japan hereby acknowledges the warmth of output received from our Japanese friends. We hope that you will continue to make these donations until the phase of rehabilitation is complete in Pakistan. With this video message are attached details of Japanese accounts where you can send your donations. We will ensure that your donations reach to the people who deserve it most. Thank you.